Oh, at first I was doubtful. Why settle for a standard 20-ton excavator when premium handlers like Fuchs or Senebogen exist? The answer is economics. Those machines come with sky-high costs. But if you've got a skilled operator and a smart setup, performance doesn't have to suffer. Watching the maneuver into the gondola reminded me, machine specs are one thing, but operator finesse is everything. That's a high-risk move, yet he handled it with surgical precision. Ultimately, this proves that with the right operator and configuration, even a modest setup can rival high-end equipment in both safety and efficiency. Damn, there goes his hydraulics. What a close call. Lucky for him, the excavator didn't topple over the edge. They did it. Fast. This is what people mean when they say team effort. I can't stop imagining. What if that giant Kamaz actually pulled the bulldozer? That would be such an epic sight. The other dozers jumping in to help, clearing a path and easing the pressure. It's a go-to trick. Clear the mess, give it room, and let the machine work its way out. Well, I think a lot of trouble could have been avoided if dozer number 1 had used a shorter cable and had not gone over the edge of the embankment.
Нахуй.
The TT4 couldn't move the house. Simple reason. It wasn't pulling the right parts. Always check the structure first, or you'll waste your energy. Did anyone else hold their breath watching that Volvo excavator work right on the edge? The way it chipped away at that dam, wow. That operator had to judge every move carefully, especially working that close to an unstable sandbank. That's skill under pressure. Who needs boats when you've got an excavator that can swim? This excavator is showing off its skills like an underwater F1 racer, gliding through the waves with smooth precision. Dredging a riverbed is no small challenge. But with the right tools like Volvo and Cat machines, it becomes manageable. Hydraulic power, strength, and precision combine to turn this dangerous process into something seamless. It's an intense process, yet these machines make it seem almost routine. Imagine standing next to the Terex O and KRH 120. It's so massive that it feels like you're looking up at a skyscraper. You won't be able to help but say, wow. Now, let's talk about the real test of strength. Lifting and scooping dirt. The Terex O and KRH 120 running test goes beyond engine diagnostics. A crucial part of the evaluation involves testing the bucket's lifting and digging capabilities. Engineers specifically assess the speed, precision, and hydraulic power as the bucket lifts and scoops dirt, ensuring that the excavator can perform under load without sacrificing stability or control. When entering a corner, make sure to widen the load so that the load will be even on both sides of the wheel. The cornering is too narrow. Because the road surface is inclined, the load is concentrated on one side of the high road surface, specifically in the clip, it is the right side. Combined with harsh cornering, the wheel will twist, easily causing the tire to explode. In my opinion, that's it. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Hey there! If you're into big machines that do big things, the Tesmec 1675 chainsaw trencher is one you don't want to miss. This bad boy is one of the largest trenchers in the Tesmec lineup, and it's built for heavy-duty projects like laying pipes and cables in massive infrastructure setups. What makes it so special? Well, it's all about that chainsaw technology, powerful enough to cut through tough soil, rock, and all sorts of hard materials with ease. The Komatsu WA380 and Volvo L150G snow removal machines. These beasts don't just clear snow, they conquer it. Watching them in action is nothing short of mesmerizing. Every movement, powerful and precise, creates a scene that leaves you in awe. Let me show you something cool. Meet the Yanmar B110W-1. Instead of spending hours cutting grass by hand, this little powerhouse clears roadsides in no time. And get this, it doesn't even bother collecting the clippings. It leaves them right there as mulch to help the soil and stop new weeds. Talk about smart landscaping. Okay, picture this. You're on the edge of a cliff, hundreds of feet up. Feeling dizzy yet? Now add a giant excavator into the mix. Can you even imagine the level of calm it takes to pull that off? That's next-level bravery. If you've ever thought construction work was easy, think again. Only trained professionals with deep field experience dare to take on challenges like this. Oh no, he fought tooth and nail to save that excavator. But fate? It turned a cold shoulder. Here's how pros load an excavator on a truck without breaking a sweat. Step 1. Secure the ramps. No wiggle room. Step 2. Drive up slowly, centered on the trailer. Keep the boom low and your eyes forward. Done right. It's safe, fast, and efficient. Whoa, hold up! I've seen big machines struggle in spots where the Microtrax glides through effortlessly. If you've got places traditional machines can't reach, this is your secret weapon. In a slick twist of fate, the JCBJS 160 slid down a grassy slope, now facing the daunting task of climbing back up. Can this mighty machine overcome the slippery challenge it's up against? Stay tuned.
Slid all the way down the hill there before.